What's up guys, welcome back to English Tip with Nicole. Today we're gonna learn about the phonetic symbol. For those who not yet subscribe, please click the button subscribe and click the button ring for more video. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ English Tip with Nicole ថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងរៀនអំពី phonetic symbol មុននឹងយើងអាចសិក្សាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបានពីជម្រៅទៅកាន់ការសរសេរនិងការនិយាយយើងត្រូវយល់ដឹងអំពី phonetic symbol. So before you gonna learn and write in English, you need to learn about phonetic symbol first. It is easy for you to read and write. So let's begin. Pen, pencil, pencil. B, big, bag, tree, do. Cat, cow, g, go, give, four, five, very, sun, sing, z, shoe, zebra, leaf, lion, man, now, nice, noise, hot, hate, happy, red, real, ready, judge, you, want, wise, when, think, thin, thick, those, then, she, shine, television measure pleasure child cheese German June English sing start with vowel sound trên chia sầm lên sạ ở đó e c me b hish sit hit 20 very happy 10 bad bag back apple sad hot on car father foot football sun about bird learn work morning door letters about a name where say o no go I my eyes shy ow house now cow oil toys joy ear here beer fear air where hair tour. So this is all the phonetic symbol that you can read again and again, so to be a fluent one. នេះគឺជា phonetic symbol ទាំងអស់មានប្រមាណជា45យើងអានម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតដើម្បីឲ្យទៅជាថ្នឹកហើយជាការងាយស្រួលនៅក្នុង ការអានភាសាអង់គ្លេសឬក៏ថាការសិក្សាភាសាអង់គ្លេសបានទីជម្រៅយើងត្រូវចេះទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដូច្នេះសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលមិនទាន់ subscribe សូមចុច subscribe និងឲ្យដាក់សញ្ញាកណ្ដឹងដើម្បីទទួលបានវីដេអូថ្មីៗបន្តទៀត So thank you for watching this video